Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check your TikTok coins balance. So in here, I've already on my TikTok apps, and to check the balance that you have on TikTok, first you can go to your profile on TikTok. Just click on a profile button. Then here, click on the three lines icon at the top right corner, and you'll easily find the balance. So tap on that, and this is my balance. So as you guys can see here, I only got 0 coins, but you can always get coins by clicking on this, and you can top up your coins. Just choose the coin balance that you want to top up, and then here click on recharge. You can also get rewards, live rewards, and here you can see the how much you get the rewards. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.